cook the perfect cake. Cut a large circle out of the puff pastry. Separate the cut pieces of dough. Place the dough on the baking tray. Prick the dough with a fork. Brush with water. Sprinkle with sugar and bake for 25 minutes. Place the baked pastry layer into the cake ring. Mix the whipped cream with powdered sugar. Add Greek yogurt. Mix again until you obtain a firm cream. Put part of the cream in the tray. Spread evenly over the entire surface and chill for 30 minutes. Put blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and sugar into the saucepan on the heat. Stir well and boil the jam. Dilute the starch in water. Pour the starch into the saucepan and stir. Spread the cream with a layer of cooled jam. Add another generous and even layer of cream. Spread the cream with jam and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Cut the puff pastry circle into equal triangles. Place on the baking tray and separate the triangles. Brush the dough with water. Sprinkle with sugar and bake for 25 minutes. Cover the cake with pastry triangles. Put ice in the blender. Pour in whipped cream, lemon juice, and condensed milk. Mix the drink. Crumble finely the remaining pieces of dough. Sprinkle the edges of the cake with pastry crumbs and decorate with jam. For a nicer appearance and a more intense taste, sprinkle the cake with powdered sugar. It is very tasty.